Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness and I am here with her new brush cleaner. This is a ink blending brush cleaner. It is made of silicone and let me give you a little demo on it. Use it to clean all your ink blending tools. Here I have a bowl of soapy water and here is Kat's blending tool, one of her detail blending tools. Just swish it in here, take it onto the cleaner and go like so. And it will remove all the ink. So you use these ridges and these little nooks to clean your ink blending brushes. It'll really get into those nooks and crannies, okay? And just thoroughly clean it in little circles like this. Now I'm going to take it to the sink and I'm going to rinse it off with some clean water. I'll be right back. So after thoroughly rinsing my brush in water, there it is, as you can see, nice and clean. This tool is made of silicone, and the beauty of this ergonomic tool is that you can either hold it in your palm while you're using it. You could put 2 fingers in it and do it this way. Any way that you feel comfortable in your hand while you're cleaning is great. And then of course the little storage bit here, or stand it up to store it. Alrighty crafters, details are listed below. Thanks so much for watching.